Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can make TikTok edits after your effects. To do so, first of all, go onto your TikTok, and after you open up your TikTok app, do make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. And after making sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, just to upload your TikTok video, go onto the plus icon which is on the bottom right here on the middle of your screen. After going to the plus icon, you'll be able to see or post any kind of video that you want to length of 15 seconds to 60 to even as long as 10 minutes. Here's the option for upload on the right side of the screen. If you click on upload, from here on out, you'll be able to select the video that you want to upload on your TikTok. And after selecting your video, you will also get a option after you have edited your video to set up After Effects, or even just edit small bits and pieces to your video to make it more better. And that's how you can make a TikTok edit, After Effects, and also add effect to your TikTok video to make it more better. This was for this video, and that is simple way on how you can make TikTok edits. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.